Welcome, my name is Christian with Codeware, and today I want to show you how to create a new employee record within Shopfloor. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the left-hand side of the screen, select Company and then Employees. From here you'll have a list of all the employees that you have available. Of course you can use your filters, but to create a new employee, I'll just select this option here at the top. Alright, now what I'll do is I'll start by selecting the type of employee. So here we can select if they're a welder. If they have multiple positions, we can select multiple options as well. And that will help with searching. Next we'll enter in their name. So in this case I'll have John Doe. Next we'll enter in their email. So this is going to be important if they need to log into the software. Now if you're not giving them access to the software and they don't have an email, you can just set this email to something at none.com. So in this case, I'll just put jd@none.com. Alright, so next thing that we'll do is set up their shop location. If you do have multiple shops, you'll be able to specify which shop this employee will be working, and that can help again with filtering. So next I'll enter in John's stamp number and clock number, and then we'll define how much access he has to the software. So the first option is none. So in this case, you can track them manually within the software. The next option is Welder Access. So this will give them read-only access to documents such as their WPSs. Now, they'll also be able to enter welds into their continuity log as well. The next item is custom access, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. And then of course we have administrator access. This gives the employee full read-write access to the software. So this is going to be the one or two people that you have that are overseeing the software. Now by default, for the username, we'll use the email address that you provided. Next thing that I'll do is I'll create this profile. So now here we have John's profile, and if we select Sign Shopfloor Permissions, this is where for his custom access we'll be able to select if he has read, edit, or read-write capabilities for each item within the software. So this allows you to customize access to those mid-level employees. You'll also be able to see their qualifications down below for both ASME and AWS, and any additional attachments or documents that you want to keep stored with his profile. Now, if you'd like to see a personalized demonstration of Shopfloor, please feel free to call us at area code 941-927-2670, or you can reach us by emailing sales@codeware.com. Thank you and have a great day.